how to duplicate clips in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you duplicate the clips in CapCut. So let's get started on this process. At first, open up the CapCut application on your device. Alright, after you open CapCut, from here you'll have to just open any project from where you want to duplicate the clips. So simply I'm opening the project from here. Alright, after you open up the project, you'll got such interface. So from here you'll have to just cut the scene or clip where you want to duplicate that. So simply tap on that clip here, and from the section you'll have to drag it to your right or left and choose the path where you want to cut. So after you choose it, tap on the option split just at the bottom left. Alright, after you chosen the clip, from the bottom again swipe right and find out the options like duplicate. Alright, after you find that duplicate option, you'll have to tap on that. Alright, as you can see, after you tap on that duplicate option, you can easily duplicate the multiple clips from your project. So in this way you can easily duplicate the clips on your project. As you can also add that duplicate clips as your overlay. For that, tap on that duplicate clips, and after you tap on that, from the bottom you'll have to swipe right and find out the options like overlay, and after you find out the options like overlay, tap on that. Alright, as you can see, I can easily add that duplicate clips as on my overlay. So in this way you can easily duplicate the clips on CapCut. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.